Now, I've seen many new riders as well as seasoned riders make right turns from intersections and stop signs so wide that they end up going into the other lane. Now, in this video, I'm going to go over what riders tend to do wrong and how to fix it. So hang tight. Welcome, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now, I'm a rider coach, a motorcycle sergeant, and owner and instructor at ProRider Central Texas, where we teach police riding skills to civilian riders. Now, one thing that riders tend to look at the wrong thing. Now, they either look at the traffic in the oncoming lane, which they don't want to hit, or they look at the lane markers as they're making their turns. But they should be looking in the lane where they want the motorcycle to go. The next thing is riders take off with too much speed. Now, too much speed on your takeoffs can cause you to go wide because this causes the handlebars to want to straighten out as you're making your turn. You want to make your takeoff smooth and under control. The problem is that riders tend to let the clutch all the way out during the initial takeoff. And because they don't have good throttle control yet, they end up giving it too much throttle, which causes them to pick up speed and go wide. Now, to fix this, you need to stay in the friction zone during your initial takeoff and into your turn until the motorcycle is upright. This will help you control your speed. This next video will simulate me at a stop sign making a right turn. Now, I will be in the friction zone until the motorcycle is upright. Then I'll begin to let the clutch out and roll on the throttle. Now, I want you to notice that once I turn my head to look where I want to go, I keep my head turned throughout the entire turn. And watch how I keep my handlebars turned until I'm in my lane of travel. Then I straighten them out. Let's check it out. Now, if you find yourself having too much speed and are going wide, you can slightly roll off the throttle, or you can use the trail braking technique using the rear brake. This will help take speed off the motorcycle and tighten up your turn. Now, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps some of you that are having trouble with your right turns. Now, if you found value in this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.